want to show you a couple things. I want to show you how I got my portfolio up to over 110%. My portfolio was up over 110% before the last 2 days or whatever we had. So the strategy in which I'm using works.
I get it with my brother. Okay.
Before we get started, let me just take a second to Kodak free. Guess who else is free? Bobby Shmurda himself. It's gonna be a grand day. I got something smooth planned for you, and today we're going to discuss. Not only you're going to see both my portfolios, the thieves, the criminals over at Robinhood, as well as my beautiful public portfolio, but I'm going to show you. I've been working on this, thinking about this, figuring out how to unroll it, and I decided I'm going to show you and tell you the name of my new investment strategy. It's fire. I'm talking to you. You're going to want to see it. I hope you know today's a glorious motherfucking day. We getting money. We have great health. We're alive. So anything that happened yesterday, we could change it today. And with that being said, I know that the stock market looks like turds right now. It looks like it needs Visine because it's all red, but that's okay. Playboy Cardi, whole lot of red. It's just red. But that's all right because it's going to shoot back up to the moon. Everything ends up correcting itself. The only way to lose in the stock market is to sell. So the only time I recommend to sell, as we continue to learn about what the taxes are for selling and taking profit and stuff, I would advise you, beautiful fuckers, to only sell if you're looking to consolidate. So don't keep doing this frequently because we don't even know the taxes of it yet. You understand? So let's just build our portfolio. My portfolio, I have just a nice solid amount of stocks where I'm starting to build position, 50 shares each. Then I can go to 75, you see? So on and so forth. You see the beautiful hairballs back with the beautiful joint in his mouth. It says I only compare myself to myself. You dig? Don't compare yourself to anyone else. I know a lot of you young people and people of all ages end up trying to compare themselves. We don't need to do that. All right, so we see the thieves. Let's go ahead and open this up. And as you see on the day, we are at $6,500. So there was a time when this was at $8,000. That was 2.5 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks. 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks. That's what this was at, but it's okay because we live to fight another day. I want you to first see the option plays we have. I'm giving y'all free game here. If you're watching this video, you get a chance to get some free game because a lot of these plays are only given out to the advanced options group. Where? The Discord. Yes. So you see the option plays. Boom, 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 boom. We got a fair amount of them. And even despite what it looks like in the market, we still have 2 that are in the green. All right, so let's scroll down and let's get to the hardiness of this. Here's my portfolio. CTRM, PSEC, NEO. You see NEO, we've grown. We almost had 32 shares. Even though NEO's having a tough time right now, we're still up. I've increased the shares in them. This is the time we want to shop right now. So remember that, people. We want to shop right now. If your favorite stocks are in red, grab that shopping cart. Macy's is also a dividend stock. Let's think smart. We getting double the payouts. We're up, increasing our position. I'm almost at 24 shares. NK, my baby, I told y'all, it's still up despite the negative days that the overall market is having. The NASDAQ, the S&P, it doesn't matter with these 2 stocks. NK, I increased my shares, and now we have almost 21 shares. I'm very excited about this. I want to get this to 50. So that's something I'm manifesting. You see my baby Arrowhead. That's definitely one of my top 3 favorite stocks. Just down a little bit today. Almost at 15 shares though. PEY, 11 shares. CSWC, 10.78 shares. And I'm going to give y'all the game right now. I want you to know. I'm thinking in my head, I'm going to check the performance for another few days for PEY and CSWC. And so what I'm thinking of doing is selling the positions in one of them and then just consolidating them. So either put everything in PEY or put everything in CSWC because they are both dividend stocks. I just want to see the payout. CSWC has already gave me a nice dividend payout. PEY, I'm still waiting to see how much that's going to be. So that's just some food for advice. I just want to give y'all some game. SBE, definitely want to increase my position here. 7.4 shares. Plug, 5.5 shares. Blink, 5 shares, Jumia, 3.16, and Apple, 2.5. And so with Apple, we know that they're in the talks with these different car manufacturers because they're getting into not only the Peloton space with the stationary bikes that are going to be smart bikes, that things that you could do from home and create more convenience for the the entrepreneur, the busy work person, or the lazy person. So that's something to know about Apple. There are also talks with cars to become one of the top autonomous, self-driving, or smart cars, if you will. So that's another thing to know. We always love Apple. It's one of the richest and most profitable companies in the world. Jumia, I'm definitely going to be increasing position. So here is where I introduce to you my new investment strategy. I call it the 70-30 op stopper. Yeah, I said it. See why I call it that is because we're going to be taking 70% of our deposit, or the amount that we're going to be contributing to stocks. So let's give a hypothetical, right? Let's say I want to contribute every month to stocks. I want to contribute $1,000. Okay? So $1,000 is broken down into $250 per week, 4 weeks in a month, correct? So $250 per week, okay? So I'm going to pull out my calculator. So with that being said, we will take 70% of the amount we're going to contribute or donate or invest or whatever you want to like to call it. We're going to take 70% and put it in either options, hence the word op, or we're going to take, this is only if you see some hot options right now. If you see some hot options, you'll put 70% in the option play, and then you'll put 30% of that 250 into just building your portfolio. So what do I mean by that? If we're putting in $250, 70% of that is $175. So just know, whatever your budget is, mine, $250 every week. So that means I have up to $175 every week to F around with an option plays. Okay, so if I see some plays and whatever my buying capital has, that's dope. But the amount that I can put in there max is $175 based on my 70-30 op stopper package, or with the op storm. Anytime you hear me say the word ops, 70-30 op, this is what I'm referring to. I'm referring to putting 70% into either an option, if the option plays are hot. You see right here, this week, option plays ain't so hot. So what does that tell us? What will we do this week? On a day like today, what I would do is I see blink, click blink, charging. What I would do is I say, the options aren't popping, so I'm going to take 70% of the $250, $175, and put it into stocks, into a position I already have. This is a time to buy at a dip. It makes sense to buy at a dip. You take the higher profit, you take the higher amount that you're going to donate or contribute, and you put that into your position, because this is a prime time to buy. On red days, it's Black Friday, baby. I can't whistle, but you get what I'm saying. We just walking around shopping. You get what I'm talking about? This is Walmart. So that's an example, a prime example of the 70-30 ops stopper, or where the ops, halt the ops, cease the ops package. This is my new investment strategy that I'm going to be trying. And I want to show you proof that this works. Okay? So as you see, we're all having an interesting day today. But you'll click right here and you'll see 1 year. Okay, a year out, you can see kind of where the upward trend started to take. And it looks like it happened at the endward of the year. Okay? And so I want you to remember, I started doing this strategy around this time. I think it was October, November, December. I started doing this around January, February. Oh wait, no, October, December. I started doing this at the end of December, January, and February. Now let's take a look at my portfolio, because one thing people can do is lie, but guess what numbers don't? They don't lie. Okay? So we'll take our finger. We'll keep scrolling over. Oh, okay. What is this? Okay. So you'll see right here, January 27th, my portfolio was 127%. 127% up. and then you'll see we touched 116. And so you also see that we touched 116. We touched 116 here in February. This is February 10th. You'll see my portfolio was up over 116%. So the methodology seems to work. And let's just check it for now. 69% portfolio up. This is during a pandemic, and then this is during our correction when the stock market is evening itself out. So I want you to see what we have going on. This strategy works. This is the 70-30 op stopper package. 70%, if the option plays are hot that day, 70% we have at least, for based on $250 example, you have $175 to donate or contribute to an option, and then you have the remaining balance to put into your portfolio. So every week when we go in, we're feeding both. We're having, you can play a little blackjack, and then you build what's at home. Okay, so we're each week, there's no way we lose because I still built my portfolio, and then the winnings that I get from the option play, I can keep my buying power or contribute to my overall portfolio. Okay, and let me go ahead to public. I do want to show you my public portfolio here. As you see, we are at 6,200, a little over that, and on the day we're down 4%. This is my baby. You know, I love this portfolio, but the great news is I actually got an email from public saying that they're actually transferring, in the final stages of transferring my Robinhood portfolio over here. Now, I don't know if they're going to do a partial transfer or if it's going to be full. I'm not sure, but I know one thing's for sure. I'm doing the 70-30 op stopping. So here, when they transfer my Robinhood portfolio over to here, nothing's different. Same thing. I got, you know, I'll have the same stocks, obviously the same position. All I will be doing was doing the options in either Robinhood or WeBull, whatever app you choose. But I'll probably just use Robinhood for right now until I figure out WeBull. So do you get it? The op stopper package works for everything. 70-30 split. It's a 70-30 or 70-30, you know, share either way. So I'm going to show you some of the stocks that I have in my public portfolio. You see, we have Amazon. We got about, you know, almost a full share. Zoom. You see AMC. And here you see exactly how much money I have in each stock. AMC, I have $288, OCGN, 240. And with AMC, I think I'm going to buy some more shares to average down a bit more so I start to make profit. I bought in early, or I bought in high at over $14. So I need to continue to just buy a couple more shares to average down. SNDL, okay, it's going up. You see it's jumping around with OCGN. You see Afria, my baby. We're going to let the smoke settle, no pun intended. And then we'll be able to see where this one really stands. AVXL, I love this one. We're up on the day. Fubo, aka Fubu. Viet, TRCH. You see us here with the Tesla shares, and you see us here with Apple. Tesla, always something to hold on to. There's no need to fret or worry about what's going on. And I want to take you to the last page of public. You see, right here, we're almost at 1,100 followers. I know you need to follow me here on public because we're going to be doing a giveaway. You guessed it. How'd you guess? You guys are smart. We're going to be doing a giveaway. That's going to be coming this Friday. Just want to give you guys $100 because Bobby Shmurda is free. Kodak's free. I love seeing people of color, young black men, be free. Be free from incarceration. So I want to give someone $100 so that they can invest into a stock of choice. Do something that they want to do. We always want to preach financial stability, financial freedom, because we don't need that 9-to-5 job. It's not our swag. It's not our cup of tea. You feel me? I hope you enjoyed my new investment strategy, 70-30 op stopper. Okay. Shout out to YB and Namir. I know they're gonna love this one. If they ever get into investing, holla at me. But that's what I got. The Discord is metro booming. We are getting closer and closer to that 3,000 mark. This is amazing. 60 days ago, we had 0. Now we're about to be at 3,000. So very grateful. Make sure you check it out. You're probably going to need to join and check the Discord out if you want to do giveaways. I'm doing giveaways damn near every week. So who wouldn't want to win $100, $50, $250? Who knows what the amount can go to? Who knows? It could be merch, wisdom. You get in there, now you know the plays. You hear me? It's all about educating yourself. Teaching a man to fish is more lucrative, more sustainable than giving a person fish, vegan fish. All right, that's all I got. I love you. Hope you have a great day. Let me know if you like this strategy. Let me know how it works for you. I love you. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You dig me?